Okay, now we have all the team. Give me a second. Charlie, can you hear me? Okay, we are Charlie, Fran, Ruben. Well, are the rest, please? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you perfectly.
Okay, perfect.
Yes.
And
Yes,
Raúl,
hello.
give me a second because I confused one name. Okay, Raúl, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
perfect.
I hear you.
Perfect. Well, hi, I want to present Charlie. Charlie is going to ask all your questions. Please, Charlie, if you want to say something first.
To answer, yes.
To answer.
Hello, everybody. Here we are to help you, with to assimilate and to know more about our operation system. At the same time we are answering the questions, you can see the operation on the screen, and at the end of the Zoom, we will show some of the operations in depth.
Okay.
Anyone wants to see one single operation, you are free for tell us.
Okay. Kelly, please let me share my screen.
Okay, done.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Now we are seeing the back of anyone. Here is all the trades and the operations. And now I'm going to, for example, Bitfinex. Okay. Okay, this is Bitfinex. This is the last one, 7,937 is this. 0.1 here, and total of amount of operational is the 10%. This is the last one. BTC GBP. Another sample is Binance. I'm going to open Binance. 1 second. This is Binance. Here is one operation, BTC here, and the amount is 9,101. This one, and the total amount is 0.1. Okay, Charlie.
Okay, let's get the show on the road. Kelly, ask me the questions.
Yes, the first one. Could you tell more about the new NC coin?
Well, yes, it's an internal coin, not an ICO, which has an unalterable value of $1. It has no economy effect, but it's gonna give us a lot of strength in the market for our operation. Yes, but the most important thing is that it's unalterable.
Okay, it's very important because everything remains the same. Instead of displaying USD or USDT, MC coin is displayed, but the valuation is exactly the same. MC coin is worth $1 American dollar. Okay.
Perfect. What happened last week with the profit?
The ups and downs, as you know, in the market last week with high volatility in a very short time, collapsed exchanges and impeded the normal development of arbitrage operations. In order to say something else about this, two events came together last week. The one on the announcement of the escalation by the Western economies will provoke important rises in the stock market. In recent weeks, we have observed a strong correlation between the American stock market and Bitcoin. Therefore, a rise in the Dow Jones caused a rise in Bitcoin. And on the other hand, we are very close to the halving next May 11th. And this fact is pushing up the price of Bitcoin. Both events together cost a 15% rise in Bitcoins and collapse exchanges. And the exchanges, in order to prevent the problems, what they do is they are just to close and to prevent the trading, and especially arbitrage. The situation lasted between 48 and 72 hours.
Okay.
And it happened to everybody doing arbitrage, not only us. If you can operate in the different exchanges, well, you cannot do anything else.
Okay. Binary Research is a prestigious publication, have published the correlation between the American stock markets, Nasdaq, Standard & Poor's, Dow Jones, and the price of Bitcoin. This correlation ratio was around 0.9. This ratio is high ratio, very high ratio. Okay.
Okay, perfect. What are my capital goals in the next 3-5 years?
Well, very good question. Well, we are prepared to have an own ecosystem with exchange with several different crypto and blockchain products such as crypto investment funds with index investment policies, technical analysis, portfolios, arbitrage, and we are also preparing to participate in several blockchain communities thanks to the development of Mind Capital Labs. Does anyone know something about Mind Capital Labs, Kelly? Not yet.
Mm-hmm. In the future.
In the future, okay.
Okay.
Good news are coming.
Good news, yes.
If I were you, I wouldn't think of going anywhere.
Okay.
Okay. As we know, you have announced the legal and tax registration in Estonia and the acquisition of license necessary to operate an exchange and wallet crypto. Where is possible to see this licensing and public and transport way?
What question?
Yeah, well, very clever people here today. Congrats to everyone. Well, the Estonia license is available on the web and in an Estonia public registry. At this moment, Estonia is readapting its regulation framework in the crypto world, and we have to wait for its times to grant us the rest of the license. But they are coming soon.
Okay.
Okay, what is the volume of money that the company has?
Well, right now we are working about 29 million USDT.
Around 29 million, yes.
Okay, next one. Will they ever be able to implement the KYC?
Yep, very good question too. We are forced to do it. If we want to have our own exchange, we have to do it. We have started the implementation of the KYC. We have to have it implemented in several weeks in May, June. Yeah.
Yes. Finish in 30 May, more or less.
Okay, perfect. Could they operate on weekends?
Yeah. Well, yeah.
The most popular question, I think.
Yeah. We'd like to, but nothing would please me. Nothing would please us more. Please, sorry. I look like a tongue twister. Well, nothing would please me more. But with crypto fiat, we need to close the arbitrage operation in the brokers. For this reason, it is not possible to operate on weekends. But well, we'd like it. We'd like it a lot.
It's very difficult for us operating in weekends with crypto fiat. It's very difficult, very difficult.
We have tried at the very beginning. We have tried, but it's not. We didn't have the outcome that we are asking for. With the help of the brokers, it's almost impossible for us to do it. Yeah.
Yes. Okay, next one. The block reward will be reduced from 12 to 6.5. How will this affect my capital?
Well, it's reduced from 12.5. Well, yes, it's gonna be reduced, but we don't know how the market will evolve after the halving. We don't really know. It's going to be reduced from 12.5 to 6.25, but well, we don't know. Nobody knows.
Okay.
If possible, will be 11 May. 11 May in this hour, more or less.
We believe that the deep changes should not take place that substantially affect the market, which that will not affect us. The market for us shouldn't be affected.
Yes.
Okay. Why now we can see IDs?
Well, good question too. Well, as you know, this is a special business, and each exchange has its own privacy policies. And well, most of them don't like that we are showing the ID operations. But we think it's important to teach operation and demonstrate them. And we also think that for this is not necessary to show the IDs and respect the privacy policies of the exchanges. Some of them has told us, could you please not to show the ID identification operations anymore? And well, if they are giving, well, we depend on them. So we have to do what his policy is saying.
Okay.
This next one is very similar to other, but I read. What do you think about halving?
Well,
the same.
Nobody
question,
knows. Nobody knows him. Nobody knows.
Okay, we go to the next one. Is there a risk that my capital will give negative return?
Well, good question too. The answer is, well, yes. I would like to say no, but I would be lying to you. Yes, whenever you operate in the market, there is a risk of negative returns. So far, we are finding positive arbitrage deals to close, and we hope to continue doing so. We expect to keep up the work, guys.
Yes.
But yes, it could be.
Okay. What risk do we as investors have of losing all our money?
Well, all our money was almost impossible. Well, we have been paying every day for 8 months, therefore losing all investment is very unlikely.
Okay, are there accounts in USBC real wallets, or do you have everything in a single My Capital wallet?
Well, very good.
USBT or USDT? I think USDT.
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 I think he means
no USBT. USDT.
Yes.
Okay.
Well, the USDT wallet accounts are real and are deposited on the exchanges. If not, operation could not be performed every business day.
Okay.
But all the bitcoins and the USDT go to the different exchanges.
Okay, great. What is the maximum volume that My Capital can reach?
Well, it depends of many different things. But for crypto fiat arbitrage, the limit is not going to give us a certain volume. We think that the limit will be put by the behavior of the market. We are expecting the behavior of the market. And in the meantime, we'll enjoy the trip.
Okay, next one. When My Capital receives our Bitcoin, what exactly does it do before starting to trade?
Very good question. So all of you, well, I'm very proud of you. Well, the Bitcoin that enter the subscription wallet are sent in batches to one of the exchanges accounts. They are changed to USDT, as you know, and are immediately affected by the rebalancing bot. At this time, we can say that the investment enters into the operation of the arbitrage.
Yes, into rebalancing bot. The first movement is in the rebalancing bot. Okay.
Rebalancing bot, right.
Okay, why it is so important that they operate with a stable coin and not in crypto assets?
Well, that's essential for our work. We operate in stable coins to avoid the market risk by the operation of crypto assets. The objective is not obtain profitability from arbitrage and not depend on. The objective is to obtain profitability from arbitrage and not depend on ups and downs of the market. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay, great. Why doesn't MindCapital pay dearly for the stablecoin? I think it's the same, USDC, and do it in Bitcoin. What is purpose?
Okay.
It would be late for us.
Pay
nothing
for
would please me more. Nothing would please me more. Well, but
it's very difficult to pay directly for stablecoin.
Imagine, well, if people doesn't know, most of the people we are working and leading with, we have problems with bitcoins. Imagine with USDT. MindCapital pays because it uses a blockchain, BTC blockchain, which is very widespread. Nobody knows about, or very few people know about the USDT blockchain. On the other hand, the USDT blockchain can be Omnim, IR20, Tron, but none of them is generalized, and therefore the payment would have a lot of difficulty to make it. Very difficult and complicated for everybody. And everybody knows about the bitcoins now. So.
Okay.
But it could be possible in the future. It could be possible, but very good.
Now, MindCapital transfer make to transfer by blockchain USDT, Omni, but this is very difficult, very difficult.
And it would be easy for us. It would be easy for us, but this is what
yes.
I don't know who asked, but very good question.
Okay. If the arbitration system were regulated, what would happen to MindCapital?
Regulation doesn't have to affect our arbitration systems. Market efficiency is a threat of any arbitrage system. When this happens, MindCapital will already have many other implanted products. Don't worry about it. We are working on many more products.
Okay.
Not only arbitrage.
Mm-hmm.
What exactly does each of the columns of the operation perform?
Yep. The columns of the operation perform presents some of the operations performed. The operations that appear are real. You can see for sure are real, and you can ask for any one of them in the technical terms. We are doing, but these are some of the actual operations that are performed. So not all the operations that we do are shown here on the screen.
Okay.
How
can we be sure that they are trading all the capital and not just one part, and then everything else is not worked out?
Well, in reality, all the capital is exposed to the operation that the bots are ordering in each account of each exchange, less those operations that are in flight. Still, not all USDT capital is operating at all times. It will be impossible. It only operates the times when each of the bots orders its operation is working on the operation as a result of the opportunity presented.
Okay.
This is very curious. What happens if dollar drops to zero or disappears?
What kind of question is that? Well,
dollar zero. With that,
well, it has
dollar
nothing
zero
to do with
that.
arbitrage, but well. What can I say about that? The dollar is a currency, and as such, its price must be valued with a pair. Zero. Well, if the dollar were worth zero, with what currency? They are asking with what currency? Zero against what currency?
Euro, yen, or other pair.
With the euro, with the yen, with the BTC. I think this is not
GBP.
possible.
Okay.
Yes. Well, I cannot answer this question. If it goes, dollar goes to zero, well, against, I don't know, euro, don't worry, MindCapital would be the worst of our problem, because it would mean that there has been a world war or something like this. I don't know.
Okay, yes. Okay, how many people can be covered by my capital?
Well, covered by mind capital. Well, the number of people covered by mind capital depends on the computer systems and whose architecture is scalable. Therefore, the limit of people is variable, and we do not have it fixed. We cannot say exact answer to that question. We don't really know yet because it depends on the market.
Okay, perfect. I don't know if you want to say something more, explain again other arbitrage in the screen, because I think we have more or less, we know this is short time for an English technical soon, but now we have another one and we only have this time to explain. And if Raul, for example, show you another operation, we can finish with this.
Okay, I'm going to take this one. Is in Binance. For example, is the last one we have trade. Is in BTC euros. Is if we look to Binance, is this one. $9,052 is here, and the amount is 0.09. Is this one. The other one, the other type we do in Bitfinex. I'm going to open Bitfinex. 1 second. Bitfinex is here. Okay. Bitfinex is this one. Okay. Bitfinex BTC GBP is this. Is the last one. 7,910.8 is this one, and the total amount this. I don't know if Frank wants to explain the how this make profits.
Yes, it's very important. Here we can see operation of an exchange account. We have more account in the same exchange. Okay, it's very important, these details. Okay, I don't see this very. See, okay, it's very difficult for me see operations with this monitor.
I'm
sorry.
Put this bigger, and I think this one too.
Okay, now in Binance, now I see Binance, the second operation in display, arbitrage operation. The pair is Bitcoin Euro, short, 9052.02 euro, I think, and amount is 0.07 Bitcoin, and this Binance. Okay, this operation. Okay, perfect. This operation now, perfect.
Okay, I'm going to open Bitfinex.
The same of this order history and this account of Binance. So Binance. Okay.
And this is Bitfinex. It's the same. Bitfinex. I put it bigger. Okay. And the operation is this one.
Okay, perfect.
This one.
It's better for me. Bitfinex, okay. The pair is BTC GBP, okay. The same, okay. And this operation is buy, and the price 7900.8 GBP, okay. Perfect. And amount 711 point. Okay, this perfect, and amount 0.09 and price 79 10.8. Perfect. Okay. Okay. Display this operation is arbitrage operation with finish and the same pair, the same price, and the same amount. Okay. Perfect.
And we buy in Bitfinex for this amount. We sell in Binance for this one.
We have other operation, Bitfinex. Down display.
Yes, no, I'm going to explain the
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This operation with finish is the same operation of this exchange. Per BTC euro and price 79 price. Okay, yes, 7914 GBP. Okay, perfect. And the amount 0.07 BTC. Okay, perfect.
Pretty clear.
Operation.
No,
okay,
I was thinking about explaining how we make profits. So we buy in Bitfinex this amount 711.97, and we sell in Binance, but in euros. So we get 800.
The close operation in broker.
Yeah, and exactly. The operation in broker is this.
Sell this operation, and the profit of this operation is different to 715 to 711. 711. 715, 711.
We have near 4 GBPs of
4 GBP more or less. Yes, yes, in this operation. Okay. Perfect. Is possible to see our operation?
Yes. What do you want?
With the other chain?
We can go to liquid if we want. Okay.
Oh, liquid.
Yes.
Liquid.
Other different.
Liquid. Yes. I'm going to open it.
Coinbase Pro, Bitfinex, Binance no, Liquid yes. The Wednesday is the terrible day, terrible day. The Wednesday pass was terrible day for this exchange.
I'm going to open.
Some people
with high volatility is a normal. Well,
yes,
it always happens. It always happens, and Bitcoin is like this. Well, everybody knows.
Last one. Liquid is a bit different.
And in both sense, to up and to down.
We only have amount.
Yes, yeah, both ways. Yeah, doesn't matter if it goes up or it goes down. The speed up, the acceleration is the problem. When you are doing arbitrage, the acceleration of the market is what make us headaches.
And not only for us, if for everybody.
Right.
Okay, here is liquid. I open liquid. This trade is if we look to liquid is these two.
Okay. Yes.
Because liquids buy, or in this case buy in two orders. One of 0.05 and another on 0.02.
Okay, in two operations. Yes.
Yes, it's so we can see the date here at 8:12 47 seconds. Both were sold at the same time. So the total amount is 0.07.
Okay.
I'm going to, if we can see another of Bitfinex. No, Bitfinex, no. I can open text.io. 1 second, I'm going to look for it. Okay, I'm going to put about zoom so we can.
Yes, because now liquid is very small.
Yes, I'm going to.
It's more for me, eh?
Yes, this is text.io. Okay, I'm going to
0.
for one operation. Here is the first. Is a
This
set
pair,
of
no? This pair, BTC,
yes.
GBP. Okay.
Is this one.
Okay.
And
Okay.
the amount, the price is this one.
The price is the same price.
Yes, and the amount is.
And the amount is
Maximum
0.01 BTC. Okay.
Is this one, and it's
Okay. Yes.
fully executed.
Okay. Full set is this. Okay.
If we look for another one, here is another one. Is, I think so, is this one. Sorry, I go to put it here. The price was this, GBPs, is this one, and the amount is this, and is this one. I'm going to look if I have another one in section. No, there isn't anyone in this screen.
Okay. Well, I think it's enough because today we saw a lot of exchange.
Okay.
I hope you guys are enjoying as much as we do. Because sometimes these kind of things look like a little bit sad, but well,
There are
you
people
enjoy.
that say
We
yes.
really enjoy. We really enjoy. Well, thumbs up, please. Thumbs up.
Yes,
Well, great.
that's the first time also, and it's very important for us.
Very rewarding. Very rewarding. Thank you, everybody, for smiling and thumbs ups.
Okay. Thank you for you guys, technical team also, for all the people that are in Mind Capital and are in this technical Zoom. Thank you for being here. And we say goodbye for this time. We maybe have another one in next month to all the time try to be transparency with you. And also, again, we say thank you and enjoy the rest of your day.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Thank you very much, and
Thank you
stay
very much.
tuned. Very good things are coming aboard. Stay tuned, guys.
And stay safe.
Yeah.
Bye.